We all know that grain flour mixed with water can become chametz on Pesach if allowed to rise with or without yeast. However, how come foods like rice, chickpeas, and beans are also not allowed on Pesach? Because those foods are in a category called Kitnyus, which a Talmud Yushalmi categorizes as wild plants. And that actually includes legumes and mustard plant. Therefore, Ashkenazi custom, which was a post-Talmudic prohibition, was to stay away from those foods on Pesach so as not to get any grain into the food stuff. However, New World crops like peanuts and like corn were not included in that prohibition, and that prohibition was very specific. Therefore, they're not part of the prohibition of Kitnius. Of course, you need to make sure that any product you bring into the home has a hechsher or a stamp of certification that there are no problems with Pesach kashrus. Not just OU now, it's also OUP. Chag kosher v'sameach.